Hbar at the time of this recording continues to see further breakdown moves after getting rejected within a Fibonacci key area of resistance between the 0.18247 and the 0.17635. And at the time of this recording, we are now holding above a horizontal line of support above the 0.15325. And on today's update video, I will be discussing my next breakdown target areas, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, from the highs we made above the 0.22879, I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that first wave. Then we saw a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas for the wave 2 highlighted on the chart, an area within which we got rejected, starting another pullback in the formation of these wave 3 whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the fib extension from the high of the first wave to the low of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of the second wave. And also doing the area that I was paying attention to was the fib ratios 1:1 above the 0.16528. And you can see that in this pullback over here, we made a low below the 0.15613 before we started a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of that wave 4, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the second wave to the low of the third wave. And on so doing, the area that I was paying attention to was between the fib level 0.5 and the 382, the yellow target area. And you can see that within that yellow target area, we are now getting rejected, starting another pullback in what I am terming as the formation of this wave 5. And the minimum target areas for that wave 5 can be given using the fib extension by just extending the fib extension over here to the low of that wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I'm paying attention to lies on the fib level 0.618. And that lies above the 0.12817 as my next target area. And that means that if by any chance in the next coming hours we continue seeing further breakdown moves, and we also lose our horizontal line of support above the 0.15325, flipping it back into resistance, maybe with a retest, then expect further downside to fully maximize our minimum target areas above the 0.12836 as your next breakdown target area. And that is all that I'm watching out for here on the Hbar chart on the short term. And once we have a complete 5-wave structure to the upside, from that point I will expect a substantial bounce in the next coming days, giving us a break above key areas of resistances and significant highs. So for now, let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.